Hi guys, Azusa here, how's it going? Being a dentist is challenging as you know, but it's a rewarding profession. Every profession has its own positive and negative side. However, being a dentist, negative side of being a dentist are often overshadowed by positive side. I love being a dentist, but here are some facts that you should know about downside of dentistry. First of all, it's physically and emotionally demanding job. Many people would probably not think so, but actually dentistry is a very physically demanding job. Dentists have to do precise work in a tiny area with your hands, and your eyes have to focus on that small area for long periods of time. If you have poor ergonomics in your office, you will feel that, and you can see the result of that in a short amount of time. Chronic back pain. And dentistry is not only physically demanding, emotionally as well. Patients are usually happy, but not always. Nobody likes dentists. Some of them comes with anxiety or express their discomfort while getting treatment. People hate waiting even for 5 minutes, and also people hate being in pain. People can be very aggressive when they are in that kind of situation. There is no guaranteed perfect treatment in any healthcare. There are plenty of variables that are beyond the control of a dentist. But sometimes patient doesn't understand the fact and they just think they couldn't get ideal result because of their dentist. As a dentist, you want things to be right and you will do your best for every patient. But sometimes you can't make your patient happy, and sometimes the things are beyond your control. So it is straining and challenging to handle this situation when it's happened. The second thing, there is always the risk to get infectious disease. Healthcare staff, especially dentists and other dental staff, are endangered by infectious disease. Every day when you treat patients, you are always susceptible to illness and infectious disease. Patients frequently show up with contagious disease, and even if you asked about it, they don't want to talk about it that much because you're like, you are just a dentist. Why do I have to tell you every single my physical condition? So you'll be prone to getting it as well. And dentists also always have to work with many sharp instruments such as needles, scalpels, burrs, scalers. If you accidentally poke yourself with a sharp instrument, which sometimes happens, then there is always the risk of contracting a blood-borne disease such as HIV, hepatitis B or C if the patients are a carrier. The risk of actually contracting the disease are very low, but still possible. And dentistry is not the cleanest job. You will get the splash from the drill and it contains patient's saliva and blood. You will get that all over you. So I can't be in the mood going out with my friends after work without taking a shower. The last thing I want to talk about is it's a very stressful job. You spend entire day working and focusing in a small confined area. Just imagine when you bite it down, a piece of hair, you will feel something wrong in your mouth, right? So humans' mouths are that sensitive. You can tell how much our work is precise. And there are plenty of other factors such as managing patients, managing staff, running a business, and competing with other dentists. Especially if you have your own small practice, you have to be a human resources, you have to be an accountant, you have to be a cleaner, and you have to be everyone. And some research showed that dentists were 2.5 times as likely to die by suicide as members of the general population, which is insane. Okay, that's it. Don't take it wrong. I'm not saying you shouldn't go to dentistry. I love being a dentist and this is a great job. You should go, but nobody talk about the downside of, things usually. But if you want to apply dental school, you should know that, right? Okay, so I'll see you in next video. Bye!